Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn off haptic feedback in Candy Crush Saga. If you are looking to disable haptic feedback in Candy Crush Saga, then first of all, open up your Candy Crush Saga application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Candy Crush Saga, tap on your gear button at the top right corner. Under General, you will see other options. Simply tap on Accessibility from the top and toggle off the button right next to Vibration Effect. Once you turn that button off, this will disable haptic feedback on Candy Crush Saga. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.